go. Whew, nice day out today. How you doing, ma'am?
Good, thank you. How about you?
Oh, I can't complain. Nobody listens anyway, right?
It's just a little hot. Not too bad.
Yeah, it's a little hot. Which AC is not working today?
This one. This side.
This side.
Yeah.
So it's probably around the pool there.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Long time no see.
It's been a while.
That's good. That's a good thing, though. That's a good thing.
So, yeah, let me know what's wrong with it.
Okay.
Because I think the compressor might be under warranty.
Okay.
Maybe.
All right.
I'm not sure.
So, it's this one here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I believe that's over there by the pool equipment, right?
Pardon?
This one's over by the pool equipment, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
All right.
And it was working fine until, well, this morning I noticed it. I go, boy, it's pretty warm.
Okay, so show me which way you want me to go to get
You
to
can
it.
go this way.
Okay.
I just want to let the dogs in.
How you been?
I've been good. How about you?
Oh, outstanding.
There we go.
All right, ma'am. Let me go ahead and take a look at this.
All right, and just come through this door.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Whew. See what we got going on here. What up, buddy? Okay. See what we got going on. So I don't have 24 volts. I wonder if there's a float switch up there. Probably have a float switch up there. Oh wow, this wire came unhooked. There's your problem right there. Let's check these pressures. Hey buddy, huh? Let's see, we got the pressures. Oh, what are you scared of? Yeah, pressures are good. Everything's good. That's an easy call. That connection's just loose. Just gonna tighten it up. Just tighten this up right here. Just vibrate it off. Okay, should be good. That was easy. Just check this cap. Just shits and giggles. Looks like it's only going to be a trip charge for this one. 69. 69, still good. All right, Back in action. On to the next one, huh? You guys just getting some shade, huh? Supervising? Oh. All done? Is she inside?
Yes.
Go this way or that when we come that way?
I think that one is open.
Alrighty. Okay. Ma'am?
See anything?
Yeah, wire came loose.
That was it?
Yeah, it wiggled off the contactor. It was just a loose connection when I installed it. It was just loose, so I re-crimped it, put it back in there, you're good to go.
And everything's working.
Everything's working. Like,
All right.
so I just got to charge you for a trip charge, that's it.
That's great.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Can I get you something to drink?
Absolutely, I'll take something.
I have a Dr. Pepper.
No, too much sugar.
Or I have one that doesn't have sugar. It's
I'll take that one with no sugar.
You want lemon lime or blood orange or?
We try blood orange.
Blood orange.
Yeah, sugar free, yeah.
All right. And it should, yeah, there's nothing in it.
Is your husband still got that commercial building out? They still working out there in Paris?
Yeah, he sold most all of it around there, but he's trying to lease that.
Oh, okay, okay. That's a big building.
Yeah, it is a big building.
Yeah, okay. Let me make that out too. I got you in here.
Would you like a cup with ice?
Easy fix, the kind I like.
Maybe these guys play.
No, ma'am, it was just a loose wire from vibrating when it came from the factory. Maybe the connector was just loose and wiggled off. I re-crimped it, put it back on there. You're good to go now. Good to go. Good to go.
Could the loose wire have been caused by the dogs?
No, ma'am, it's just a.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm glad that's all it was.
Yeah, easy fix. I like those, you know.
Yes, we like those. We do like those.
All right, you take care. Have a great summer.
Thank you. You too.
All right. On to the next one. Did a lot of work for these guys. There you have it. That was the easy fix. Could I have charged them for an electrical repair? Yeah, I could have, but you don't have to skin your clients for every dime, every time. You know what I mean? You don't have to knock every job out of the park. Mr. Caldera has multiple commercial properties. They've always called me for their HVAC needs, so yeah, I've made a lot of money working with them. So I know that when their sisters, husbands, uncles, cousins, AC breaks, or they have any HVAC needs, they're going to be calling me. So like I say, you don't have to, gouge your customer every time on every job, because I know that they will definitely be bringing me a lot more work. That was an easy fix. It wasn't technical, in and out. So now I'm going to head out to wine country and fix this heat pump in this Airbnb and call it a day. Go home and relax, spend some time with the family. So yeah, thanks for watching. On to the next one, and be safe out there.